Good morning. I have a toaster here that doesn't want to work. Okay, we want to open it quickly. The problem is it doesn't want to stick there. There's more of a magnet inside here that keeps it down, but no heat is also coming out of the toaster. So something is wrong. So first to start, I think what we need to do is just to take a multimeter, what I normally do, and take your own setting and just go measure between your live and your neutral. Then you get like a meg ohm, and then if you press this, you see there's on the multimeter there's nothing, no circuit. It's supposed to be like 100 or something ohms, I guess. But the first next step is to open it. But here is this funny screws. But you take a screwdriver, and I old one, and I grind the front ends so that I can open this type of screws. It's one of the deterrents that they don't want you to open the screws. You can always take a nice small flat also. The flat also work. You can just force it in there, and it between the 2 points sides, and then it opens. Okay, that doesn't work. Just let it skid or just come loose, and then you can take a flat and then you make it loose. Okay, now all the screws is out now. Now we can try to open it. Okay, there it comes open. The next step is you have to remove this thing. So this is like cracked already. Otherwise you can't open it. And what else is here? Looks like a few lights or something that's in here. Circuit open. Okay, what I'm gonna do, you can see here is there's a circuitry, but obviously we're gonna try to find look at the path of this AC that goes in through the elements. Maybe we pick up something. But firstly I need to remove, just to work on the thing. See, there is a little something here. So there's a potentiometer. I don't know how you're gonna take this out. Maybe we must just leave this here. I think the next step is then you take your multimeter again, and then you begin to measure in your own scale or the beep, put it on beep mode. See, there's your AC coming in, and put it on one side. Make sure it beeps, and then you check it is there, it's continuity. The next one, see, here's a problem, there is no continuity. So it's somewhat easy fix. There's no, so somewhere there's a problem between the neutral. So I guess it is broken off here inside here. So the next step is to remove. We have to remove this wire, this whole cable. We can undo there. Have to unscrew it completely. Okay, now we have to remove this whole. You see, there is the connection point of the incoming. There's a strap there that they use to, and then you can pull it. You can just have to, let's remove it completely. Okay, there's the strap. Take the strap out. See, now the cable is now what you can do. Somewhere to start with, you cut it off this side. And we're going to pull it from this side to make sure. So there's a ground wire also that we need to remove. It's the earth wire. You get your tweezer, and then this whole caboodle is out. Now we need to remove these wires. So I saw on the back here is I don't know how we're gonna take. There's a little metal thing over here that you twist here. You need actually a flat nose. And then you twist. You can twist it back again, and just to release the pressure on this thing. To release the pressure so that you can pull out this wire. See, now here's for protection. It's like you can take a high heat. I think it's asbestos or something. You see, now the problem is here, but I guess the problem is somewhere here. We'll open it now and just check where is the problem. So first thing, I'm going to look for another wire and then put another wire in here, and then we go from there. Okay, I'm back here with a cable. This is an ideal cable to. That's why if you have old, like a faulty iron, then you remove this cable. It's also like this high heat special cables. This will work ideal for. And then I'm going to replace this now with this. So I'm gonna. The plan is to first put it through here now. We have to route it through here. Now you take your skin tool and you're going to skin this. And turn this like this. Okay. Okay, I have a whole bunch of this ring locks. Now I need a ring lock. This old cable used to have a ring lock. You can see this. Either you have two options. You can take this, solder there on there, or you will use looking for a new ring lock for that. Just get this. Two screws here. You have the screw and see what is going through. That is perfect. Go through there. I'm going to take 2 of these or 3 of these. Nice to have all these things handy here. Now we can take your crimp tool and we're going to put this in here. Just put this aside there. Even though plastic is not so hot that it will, then we can go and crimp this quickly there. It's the ground, now the neutral. Okay, I'm finished with all. You can see there's the connections now, the red locks. Now I just have to go and put this thing all back together again. And just remember this little and this must first go in here somewhere, somehow. Now remember this thing in the bottom here that we need, that we had to take out, twist it again. The whole thing doesn't come out, make sure that is still there. And before we screw it in, see there's this thing again. Okay, now I have to put this thing back, but you see it's cracked here. I think it's not just old, it's like all the plastic is like fatigue already. Now you can take this Jane Chem, contact occlusive. If you can't, doesn't help you put epoxy or something. Next time you want to fix it, you can't get it out. So this will do. I think you just put some of this glue here. You just get a cloth thing here, and then you can push this in. Okay, there's your toaster. I just want to quickly fasten all these screws in the bottom here. That's it. You can see there's your new cable. Just make sure your tray is clean. There's a tray in the bottom here. When you can just clean here, and I'm going to open that now. Okay, I'm just going to leave this here. This for the last time. Let's check it quickly. Plugged in, put the bread in, put on your setting here, and then you press it, and then it stays. Then if you want to release it, there's a cancel, and then it comes up. Bob's your uncle. Okay, this is one standard toaster fix. Put new cable in. This is it. Hope you find this interesting. Maybe you can fix your own toaster. Till next time, cheers.